Okay, moving on. Today we want to talk about the motivation part of staying motivated to move. It can be a big obstacle to get exercise into your regular day. So today we're talking to an expert about how to find that motivation and make sure you're staying healthy. And who better to motivate us than the queen of fitness herself, Sue Wen. Sue, I think a lack of motivation is a challenge that many people face.
I myself, I find it so often lack of a motivation as well. Motivation, it's just an uphill battle, lifelong. When they don't see changes, progress in them, very easily they lose their motivation.
What are your tips to overcome this lack of motivation?
Take exercise as the daily chores. Like you are having lunch, you're having breakfast, dinner, every day, you just have to do it. Don't overthink it that, oh, it's so hard, I can't do it. Don't overthink it. Just put your clothes on and do it. You put it down to your calendar. Make that as your habits. You got a good night's sleep, you feel energetic. When you feel good, you're motivated. That is the habit and the lifestyle we need to build for ourselves.
You've got a couple of exercises to show us that will get us motivated to move.
Yes, I will give it very basic moves that I think that works for me. One of my favorite compound movements. You have one pair of weights. From a deadlift, you go for a clean press. Now, deadlifts, clean and press. So many muscle groups in one motion. It's basically full body work.
Sue, I love the compound movement there with exercise number 1. Can you show us the next one?
As you jump, you push your arm to the back. As you lean, you soft the knees. You go right down to that squat. The more you get your whole body off the ground, the more energy that you need to burn to get that happen.
Okay, exercise number 3, Sue, can you show us that one?
My third exercise is for the core. Lots of people think the abs come from sit-ups. Now I'm telling you, the best abs exercises is actually your abs away from the floor. Mountain climber, think about twists and turns. Up here, the more you do it, more twists and turns, the more challenge your core is.
And I think wrapping this up, we can say that motivation really does come from within. But once we get started, we know we're on track to live a healthy life.
It's all about chasing the good feeling every day. It's about your health. Make that as your daily habits. Just like you get up, you have breakfast, you get up to exercise.
All right, how do you stay motivated? We want to hear your tips. Stay social with us. You can share them on Twitter @LivingHealthyTV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.